Hey everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make Healin Good Pretty Cure Bento box. My daughter is going to graduate from kindergarten in 16 days, so I decided to make her a character bento box. I asked her what she wants, then she answered Healin Good Pretty Cure, Cure Grace. Pretty Cure Bento is a difficult one, as you know. This time I feel old that I couldn't concentrate on making it standing in the kitchen, so I decided to sit down and make it on the table. Then I couldn't even concentrate on the camera work, so I left the camera on a tripod. Then I concentrated, so it was in a little distance. Anyway, my video is going to be a little messy, so in this video I decided to share with you the tips how to make character bento box. I hope you find this video helpful and I hope you can try it out. Tip number 1, find the image easy to work with. Opened eyes are difficult, so smiling eyes or winked eyes saves time. Number 2, make rough sketch of bento lunchbox with detailed ideas of side dishes. Number 3, shop ingredients based on your sketch. You can shop wisely if you have detailed ideas with you. Number 4, egg crepes are important. You want to use vivid colors for the egg crepes. Strain the egg white to make it smooth. By the way, egg white is easy to break, so you can mix starch to prevent it from breaking. Tip number 5, trace and cut from the larger parts. You can start building them together. Tip number 6, face parts must be at the same level or in the ham. As I shared with you in Kua Milky video, if you put everything on top of the ham, it will look like popping out and scary. Last but not least, cut no received lines as thin as possible. You just need to microwave for a few seconds to open the flowers. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
おめでとうひな祭り。